Howdy folks, and good morning from Kenzone in Taming Jaya. It's been a while since we've seen the KE30, hasn't it? I think the last time you saw it was when we just got the interior done. So why is the KE30 here at Kenzone in Taming Jaya? Well. For want of a better word, or for want of a better explanation, and a long story short, the engine was making a heck of a lot of noise. So I sent it here for a full check, and just to see what was going on. And apparently the conrod bearings were not very good with this car. So yeah, they had to drop the bottom of the engine out and actually change the conrod bearings. Yeah, the conrod bearings were making a hell of a lot of noise, and so that's been done. Yay, that's been done. And so let's hear what the car has to say insofar as the engine is concerned. Let's make sure it's in, yeah, okay, that's in neutral. So here we go. Oh, sorry, wrong key. Haha. There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's a lot quieter now. That's a lot quieter now. Oh, much better. Much better. Shall we go for a drive? Yeah, let's do that. Howdy folks, how's it going? Here's me face. I actually started the car just now with the aircon on. Can you believe that? The aircon is actually running, and it's quite cold, so that's great. Just want to take the car out for a quick spin now and find out. Well, you know what? For this, I'm gonna turn off the aircon. I'm gonna put the windows down because I want to hear what's what. I want to hear if everything's okay. Did you see that? You can't see that, but that's a very old school seat belt. Check this out. Check out the old school seat belt. Oh, ASMR. But yeah, so anyway, here we go. This is the first time I'm driving the car in quite a while. Let me just get this sorted here. Oh, but already I can hear the sound of the engine is a heck of a lot better. It's much quieter. Yeah. Ah, it pulls better as well. Yes. This is what it's supposed to be like. Nice. Temperature is stable. I think I need some fuel. Oh, much better. Much better. Previously the sound of the engine, there was like a sound coming out from the engine, and it didn't sound healthy at all. Like things were grinding in there. So found out that the oil pump was an issue. The oil was not pumping enough. It wasn't pumping properly, and as such, the conrod bearings were basically running dry. Yeah, grinding on each other, and so yeah, all the conrod bearings had to be changed. I haven't seen the bill yet, but you've heard of a top end overhaul. This was more like a bottom end overhaul, and that is so much better. Very good. Yeah. Straight up. I can feel the difference already. Okay. I still love the way the gears shift so smoothly. Wonderful. Very happy. Well done, Kenzone. Right, so as you can see from the KE30, everything is pretty much done insofar as the mechanical work is concerned, and also the interior, which I'm very happy with. Let me give you a shot of the interior again. I mean, you can see it. You can see it right here. I mean, look at that. Heng cushion, Klang, thank you so much. And as you know, I got the plastic from the door panels, all 4 door panels, removed this protective plastic, and it showed the original condition of the door cuts. But yeah, there you go, check it out folks. There's the interior. And as you know, I didn't do anything to the rear. The rear is still using the original original plastic from 1979, and Heng managed to match it brilliantly. Nicely done, very, very nicely done. So yeah, this is from Mr. DIY. It's just a padding, a ventilated padding to protect the seat and also add a little bit of comfort. As you know, this car, it's like 1979 folks, so give it a break. Yeah, she's tired but still running, and we're far from done. I mean, look at the bodywork that's required. The bodywork, lots of bodywork, and then paint. But she's getting there. She is getting there. Stay tuned, folks. Thanks for watching. Lots more to come, and yeah, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.